When it comes to selecting windows for your home in Houston, durability is key. The weather in this vibrant city is known for being unpredictable, with intense summer heat, high humidity, and the occasional hurricane, making it essential to choose windows that can withstand these harsh conditions. If you're in the market for new windows, this guide will help you navigate through the factors that ensure your investment is long-lasting and energy efficient. Understanding Houston's climate. Houston's climate is classified as humid subtropical, which means the city experiences hot summers with high humidity levels and mild winters. While the sweltering summer sun can cause significant wear and tear on unprotected windows, the humidity can lead to the growth of mold and mildew, affecting both the window frame and the seal. Furthermore, Houston is located in a hurricane-prone area, which increases the risk of high winds and heavy rains that can potentially damage your windows. Given these factors, choosing windows that are not only energy efficient but also strong enough to stand up to the intense conditions is essential. Below, we break down key features to look for when shopping for windows that will endure Houston's unpredictable weather. Hurricane-resistant windows. Hurricanes and severe storms are real threats for homeowners in Houston, so opting for hurricane-resistant windows is one of the smartest choices you can make. These windows are designed to withstand the strong winds, flying debris, and water pressure associated with hurricanes. They are typically made with laminated glass, which consists of 2 layers of glass with a layer of plastic in between. This construction helps keep the glass intact even when impacted by debris, reducing the chances of breakage. Another essential feature is the window frame material. Frames made from materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum are more resistant to the forces of a storm and are better at holding the glass securely in place during a hurricane. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. In Houston, the temperature can swing from the high 90s during the summer to mild winters, making energy efficiency a priority. Windows are a key factor in maintaining the temperature inside your home, and inefficient windows can cause you to lose energy, leading to higher utility bills. Look for windows with multiple panes of glass, known as double or triple glazed windows. These windows provide excellent insulation by creating air pockets between the panes, which help keep the heat out during the summer and retain warmth during the cooler months. Additionally, energy-efficient windows are often coated with a special low emissivity, low E, coating that reduces UV rays from entering your home, protecting both your furniture and flooring from fading. Durable frames. While the glass is important, the frame of the window plays a huge role in how well it holds up over time. In Houston's humid climate, wooden frames can warp or rot, making them less durable in the long term. Instead, consider window frames made from vinyl. These frames are resistant to moisture and will not warp or rot over time. Vinyl is a great option for areas with high humidity, making it ideal for Houston. Fiberglass. Known for its strength and insulation properties, fiberglass frames are another great option for durability. They won't expand or contract in extreme temperatures, which is crucial in Houston's fluctuating climate. Aluminum. While not as efficient in terms of insulation, aluminum frames are strong and long-lasting. They are a good option if you need a sleek, modern look and don't mind adding extra insulation for energy efficiency. UV protection. Given Houston's relentless sun, UV rays can do a number on your furniture, flooring, and even your skin. Windows with built-in UV protection can help minimize this damage by blocking harmful rays from entering your home. Look for windows with UV coatings or tints that reduce the amount of UV light that enters the interior. Not only will this protect your belongings, but it will also keep your home cooler in the summer, as less heat will be able to enter. Easy maintenance and cleaning. Houston's humidity can lead to mold and mildew growth on windows, especially around seals and frames. To ensure your windows stay in top condition for years to come, opt for low-maintenance options. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are particularly easy to clean and require little upkeep, while wooden frames may require more frequent attention to avoid moisture damage. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your Houston home means taking into account both durability and energy efficiency. By opting for hurricane-resistant windows, energy-efficient glazing, and strong, moisture-resistant frames, you'll be well equipped to handle Houston's weather, from sweltering summer heat to stormy conditions. Remember to also prioritize UV protection and low-maintenance materials to keep your windows in top shape year-round. By making a thoughtful choice, you'll not only enhance the comfort of your home but also ensure long-term savings and peace of mind. Don't hesitate to consult a local expert who can help guide you in selecting the best windows for your home's specific needs. With the right windows, your home will be ready for whatever Houston weather throws its way.